Hey, what's up everybody? We're getting some water delivered from Big Island Water and Hauling. That's their phone number. So they get this truck, which is 2,300 gallons, and they also have another truck that does 1,000 gallons. So they were super responsive, and the price is really good. So we're really happy. We'd recommend them. So we're filling up this tank over here. Because we're on our backup tank, make sure we have enough water. It's because that's what happens when it's super dry. Well, if you need water and you're up in the South Kona, Kau area, check out Big Island Water and Hauling. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.